Hello students, today we are discussing about amines. So let's get start our interaction. Amines constitute an important class of the organic compounds which is derived by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia molecule by alkyl or aryl group. Generally, they are present in many natural compounds like vitamins, hormones, etc. Classification of amines depending upon the number of hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl or aryl group in ammonia molecule in such a way primary, secondary and tertiary. So we see one by one. Primary amine, one alkyl or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom. Secondary amine in which two alkyl or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom. Tertiary amine, there are three alkyl or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom. And quaternary amine in which an ion in which nitrogen is bonded to four alkyl or aryl groups and bears a positive charge. The second alkyl aryl group may be same or different. If they are same, then they are the simple amines. If they are different, then they are the mixed amines. Amines, this is the structure of the ammonia which is similar to that of the amines. In that ammonia, if one hydrogen is replaced only by one alkyl or aryl group, then the primary amine is formed and the functional group of that group is the amino. If in ammonia two hydrogens are replaced by two alkyl or aryl group, then the secondary amine is formed and the functional group name is the imino. If three hydrogens of ammonia are replaced by three alkyl or aryl group, then the tertiary amine is formed. In your device screen, the structure of hydroxychloroquine is there. You have to pause the video and identify whether the amino group shows by the arrow is primary, secondary or tertiary. Please check your answers. Another some examples are given. Again you have to pause the video and classify it. Check it out your answers. Now we see the physical properties. Amines are moderately polar substances. They have boiling point that are higher than those of alkanes but generally lower than the alcohols of comparable molecular weight. Molecules of primary and secondary amines can form strong hydrogen bonds to each other and to water. Molecules of tertiary amines cannot form the hydrogen bond to each other, but they can form the hydrogen bonds to molecules of water or other hydroxylic solvents. As a result, tertiary amines generally boil at lower temperature than primary and secondary amines of comparable molecular weight. Therefore, the order of the boiling point of isomeric amines is as follows. Primary come first, then secondary and then tertiary. According to the boiling point of amines is increased with increasing relative molecular mass. Second point is that the lower aliphatic amines are gases or low boiling liquids. Amines are polar compounds and both primary and secondary amines associate by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Here you see that this is the one amine group, this is second and this is third. So one of the amino group, this nitrogen is show the hydrogen bonding with another. Next we see the comparing the boiling point of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. For isomeric amines, the boiling point decreases in the order. First come primary amine, then secondary and then tertiary amine. Reason behind is that decrease in intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So in given examples, in primary amine, here boiling point is 48.6 degree. In secondary amine, In secondary amine, there is the 37 degree centigrade boiling point, and in tertiary amine, there is the 3.5 degree centigrade. So, in this example, we see that the primary amine have the highest boiling point. Next, we see the comparing the boiling point of amines with other organic compounds. So, here you see that the alkane, ether, alkyl halide, and then alkane, ether, alkyl halide, and then amine is there. So, according to this series, it seems that the boiling point of aliphatic amines are higher than those of the alkanes or haloalkanes of similar relative molecular mass due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The NH bond is more polar than the CH bond but less polar than OH bond. Hydrogen bonding in amines are weaker than that of the alcohols or carboxylic acids. Therefore, the boiling points of amines are lower than those corresponding alcohols or carboxylic acids. So, here you see the whole sequence. Here you see the whole sequence of the comparison of boiling point of some organic compound with similar molecular weight. Solubilities of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. In that, all three classes of aliphatic amines are capable of forming hydrogen bonds with water molecules. The lower amines are very soluble in water because they can form hydrogen bonds with water molecule. The solubilities of amines is decreases with increasing number of carbon atom in the chain. Therefore, the amines are soluble in organic solvents. Thank you.